up for the king of dancehall.
Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Give it up for the king of dancehall.
The last time I checked, correct me if I'm wrong, but the last time I checked,
I am here to crown the cerebral luminary, Adija Azim Palmer.
Fambo, people say you look like you're mad out. You look like me, I'm mad out. Me look like a mad man here?
Me never see a big man I go get restraining order against next man when not even touch you. When you see why me not listen to some boy sometime and me just hold my lane. Coming with my box down them blood clot at station them are going on. Bugle, I hear fault you know. You have money. Get 15 Rastafari with. Get some flag and some something. Walk a road, any man say I eat patty box them down. You understand me?
Yo, welcome my beautiful people. Welcome forward to the channel. If you're your first time here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you're your first time here, I'll quickly make a note how I deal with it over on my side. Now over here, so we have to big up all of the ones and ones who give thanks for life. Because the last time we check it, life are the greatest. All who subscribe to the channel, leave a like on a video and definitely leave down thoughts in the comment section. Because it only build the channel and it's only right. Done. Now in today's review, my people, we have a few things to run through. We're going to talk about the Spragga Benz show, Journey to Kingston. Now, there's a few things making its run on social media because Spragga Benz introduced Beenie Man as the king of dancehall. Now, Beenie Man once was the king of dancehall, but we already seen where Vybz Kartel is the official king of dancehall since him come out of prison, my people. So after that, there has been a lot of people have a lot of things to say about the way him introduced Beenie Man. You understand what I say, my beautiful people? So I want to know, watch the clip and leave on the thoughts in the comment section. We also have Future Fambo. You understand what I say? Future Fambo come out and make it known, say, yo, people are saying mad and him not mad. You understand what I say? And we also see a clip where Joshy seemingly getting baptized or a publicity stunt or a music video. We don't know, my people. We are going to even talk about that. But at the end of the video, my people, we also have Foota hype. Now, Foota hype has shown some shades towards Mr. Vegas. Because if you never know in the past, Mr. Vegas and Bounty Killer been going at it back and forth. Now, Mr. Vegas has recently took out a restraining order against Bounty Killer and kind of make him know, say, yo, him can't call him name again. He need to stop call up him name. So from now moving forward, my people, Bounty Killer cannot mention Mr. Vegas. You know, say Bounty Killer used to call him Vegas and all of them thing there. Him can't say none of them thing there no more. So I have Foota hype speaking about that, my people. We're not going to stick around and hear a Foota hype have to say. Don't forget to like, share and leave in the thoughts in the comment section. Don't bye.
Give me microphone. Come here. Is it feeling? Give it up for the king of dancehall. Who's this Vegas? Take it away, my brother.
What a blood.
Watch out, no one said him, I look at him, I breathe. Shelly say a long time, him a beg and a busy. Watch Beenie, let grandma read and get eat. Me someone me can't believe I don't know you read. Watch it, tell you what's at the man, come and read them a breathe. Watch it, look at them up and a circle like me. Watch it, where you come on this? Tell me where, you can just tell me now that you can say it. Don't worry, don't fear. appear song again for General. Mr. Fambo. As they say, when you look at me and say, I young a mirror, and you know the thing go, in a 10 boy if you do what you do. Go here in my business. I'm going to tell you that from my heart. You see me a juvenile, them can't stop. You know what, balance. Me just picking up the pieces from the personal life and birth. When nobody is down the sun, and nobody
Alright, my beautiful people, so there you have it, you know. Big up to the whole journey to Kingston show and Spragga Benz. You understand what I say? If you see the veteran, keep him own event and get the love and support from not just the fans, but from the artists and the fraternity. That is a good look, my people. That's what the culture need more of. You understand what I say? I always say it. Artists will support artists. When one man try build something positive for the culture, other artists to represent and show up and represent straight up and down and up again. You understand what I say? I saw dancehall grow, I saw unity build. You understand what I say? Now the vibes on the show did proper. The crowd did come out because we have other clips where we see the crowd and we see the energy. You understand what I say? And the people them show up for hear good music. So big respect to the artists. Every artist will pass through and support the movement, because that send a strong message to other artists. Say, yo, if we unite, we can do better. Cause we even say Bounty Killer, we say Beanie Man. Yo, my people, it was a good look. I wanted to leave in the thoughts in the comment section. But me know what I think. Now, on the next hand, my people, the last clip was Joshy performing at the show. Now, on social media, we can see where a video circulating of Joshy. You understand what I say? Seemingly, it look like he might get baptized. Now, me don't want to jump to no conclusion, because we know how the thing go. It could be genuine, or it could be a spiritual move, or it could be a video shoot, or it could be a publicity stunt, my people. For now, Joshy ain't fully come out and confirm. But I'm going to play a little clip for sure on what go on. I'm going to leave in the thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Don't or bad.
Fambo, people say look like you're mad out. You look like me, I'm mad out. Me look like a madman here. Me look like a nicest madman this. And the sweetest madman this. Hey, Gucci load, but Gucci everything. Cologne, Irish Spring soap. I live good, me have light, I me have water. I me have God in my heart. Yeah. So all I want to say, my man from 1994, first number one. Oh, this how one and look at this business I was mad yo. With the reptile and the sorcerer and the science man and the backbite.
Alright, my beautiful people. Well, there you have it from Future Fambo himself, you know, addressing all of the rumors, saying that him mad and him crazy. You understand what I say? Future Fambo make we know say, yo, with God, him are the greatest. You understand what I say? Now, we know say over the years, enough talk did up on social media about him drinking habits and him lifestyle where him live. You understand what I say? And sometimes when people see certain behavior, them quick for draw them own conclusion and call certain people certain things, if you understand what I say, my beautiful people. But from my viewpoint, for Future Fambo, all you need to do is just focus on the music career and just keep the energy positive, and maybe ease up on certain things like the drinking and all them things, and the people will then criticize him in a positive way. You understand what I say? And then change the narrative around. But big up to Future Fambo same way, cause whether people love him or criticize him still find a way to stay relevant. Especially after the other day, him come out with allegations regarding Beanie Man on social media, where create a buzz for a week, or so people did wonder if Beanie Man did actually box him in his face and all of them things. You understand what I say? So I just feel like say him fi just drop some hit songs, some good music, so the fans can change the narrative around, my people. You understand what I say? Now in the next clip we have Foota hype a reason upon Bugle, and why him feel like Bugle now get the recognition and the support where him deserve for all of the work where him put in a reggae and dancehall, my people. Now Foota hype basically I say sometimes talent alone isn't enough, and certain artists might have to create certain controversy or do certain things to find a way of keeping them name in a dancehall to get the attention, because Jamaican Jamaican people, we just like war, we just like violence. Come like from, you must say from Chuka who come from Africa, is like we have that blood there for like fight. You see me? So if an artist not overcome that, is like them not get the recognition when deserve, my people. And while him talk, him even talk about Mr. Vegas filing for, he must send a little shade at Mr. Vegas, because Mr. Vegas and they do some court documentation against Bounty Killer. You understand what I say? And him did actually win that case to my people, where Bounty Killer can't really speak anything derogative against or about Mr. Vegas, my people. And Foota I say, yo, a waste man movements that, you understand what I say? Only woman do them thing there, you see it? So I'm talk a whole heap of bag of thing, my people. We don't want to stick around and listen to him if he said. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comment section.
For them coward, as you box them in them face and station them I go. Me never see all big man I go get restraining order against next man when not even touch you. When you see why I not listen to some boy sometime and me just hold me lane. Come in with my box down them blood clot at station them are going. And America we don't want to catch no charging up on top of charge where we have already. I beat them, I bitch them. When they hear about restraining order, and a woman they hear say I try to take out restraining order for Foota. So a man I got to take out restraining order for the next man, I not even touch you. I not even like I get 2 bucks. I not even like I get a kick down. You know, get a gun butt and a knife stabbing in your blood clot. When you run down a court with restraining order. What kind of soft cupcake behavior that people get up and chat so much about other people? Where the fuck you get up at a station and have time to go to court with restraining order against the next man just for talk? If you talk and I don't like it and I feel that way there, I see you box you down and we just war and stop up on another and never saw. Oh, then imagine if I something bigger than that. No, you know, see a full informer behavior this. Worse than 6'9". This come like a 6:30. It's a bitch business. Come in and understand. Just believe me. Like, who go get a restraining order against the next man? And the man that touch you. The man that box you down. The man that kick you down. Not at all. The man that touch you. The man that box you down. The man that kick you down. Not at all. A joke thing, bro. Joke thing. Me can't rate some man. No man have no guts, no glory, no ounce of badness. Chat by internet. That's why me stay far from them. And me know where me capable of. Me know where me will do. And me know say them pussy here now go try and match me swag. Them a got station. And that part them I like, but the man them a chat to them bad. Me not like the station business, man. How long we in this every year we got a station for nobody. If you fight and lose, we lose. And when you fight and win, we win. That's how it go. You win some and you lose some. But where station I go, man? Where restraining order I go? Where courthouse I go? Where that I go? Which real man do that? No. No woman they always say I get restraining order against man. Oh man I get restraining order against man. Over words. The man not even box you down nor kick you down. Bugle step out clean. In our white jacket suit, our white Air Force One. And him have a mint turban with a mint tie. Yo. Yo. Listen to me, man. Bugle come out and represent the Rasta community on a different level. Clean. See Danish can't tell you what going that. Bugle come out and Bugle deliver. You understand me I say? Remember Bugle have its pan top of its big up 7-star entertainment and them book for Bugle. What I think happening is you see this corruption in the music and this hypocrisy in the music. Cause enough man feel look like them not talented because you not see them on the biggest show them. But when you check it out, a man a care feelings over a girl or a man and him friend not like Bugle. Bugle for the whole heap more show. Bugle have a whole heap of hits. Bugle can perform more than 90% of who get booked for sure. Me know that probably too humble. Cause your Jamaican culture run. Sometimes you have to kick down one police, go jail, you know, fire some shot, get hold with gun, beat a girl. So, yo, dancehall weird. Like, dancehall, you have to get a problem for them have you as the man. If you just perform normal and talented and you're not getting ratings. Them alright with you, but you're not getting real ratings. If you not broke the law in a dancehall, it's not gonna work. You got always there and them rate you, but you're not run the whole dancehall because you're not getting a problem. I don't know if it's because we are the bad slave them from Africa or what. Badness affina your thing. When you get in trouble and overcome it, at that time Jamaica put you on number one. I swear. And that's something we notice over the years. The artists them will just go through and base themselves off of music and performance and sell record. Yeah, we rate you, but you can't run dancer. Yeah, me rate you sell platinum, but so what? Yeah, you're a good youth, but you never got jail like a dog there. You never shoot nobody like a dog there. You never beat up your girl. You never. You understand what I say? Foota here, big up. Zine, so Bugle are one of them artists that when me think underrated, where them not give him real glory. Bugle, are your fault, you know? You have money, get 15 Rastafari with, get some flag and some something. Walk a road, any man say I eat patty box them down. You understand me? I say any boy bleach and bore nose, kick them down. You understand me? I say any boy sing boy sucking in the fucking, kick them down. Yeah. When you gonna show Bugle one truckload of Rasta one IS bus, the rest of them have last broom, knife, fork, torch, everything. Cause obviously at that you're missing. At that you're missing. Cause me never hear a fuckery song from Bugle yet. All if it not it, I no fuckery. So Bugle, you're too humble. You're not kick down nobody, you're not. Get some people to do the kick down for you. Go find some hungry restaurant of food and tell them you pay them to be entourage member, and then when you go on the road, they are supposed to cause chaos. Big up Hazel. She said my outfit is bad, well put together. Thank you, thank you. Remember me and them selector Yana size, you know. Me think different. Bugle, you gotta go up a Mega Mart on a Waterloo before it lock down. Cause they wanna put more lock down, look like hungry kill it as and them not rich again. Go around there and go buy out all like bacon and the shell tax them and pack up in the guest room around the yard. Go up a Bubble Hill. Some of the bubble them up there be a skelly and them a eat and straw. Them tin breeze can take them away. Hire 6 or 10 of them. Put them on the ends. For them work is to go out with you and be the entourage member them. Pay them little money. You see me? And make them go out with you. Torch for your light, flag for your wave. Any man you see look like pastor in a crowd, make them box him down. I saw you have to go work it. Run your yard too empty. You need 15 bubble for run your yard at all times. Hang out the door, chew stick, chalice, a bun, everything. Board fire with food I cook every day. I saw you have to do it. You're too humble, brother. This not gonna work. It not gonna work. You have to get with the program, bud. You try it, but it not work. First thing, you're a Rasta. And you move simple like you're a Christian. You have to make up your mind. Just call military man and say, you're a military man. You say like how tall boss, I'm a little road representative and thing. Here what you gonna do now, military man. You are gonna be my Rasta mayhem organizer. So you get the rest of them, if you like to touch them, go out the road, we'll buy a IS bus and we want an open back truck. You military man are going to responsible find everybody with a bundy touch them and wave the flag and do the something them. We want 2,000 calabash. Only calabash we eat out of. Zine, any baller who got show and them said the baller they work before we broke fight, push down the ball, take the stage, them something there. It have to work. Bugle, you are too humble. You have to dark up your place here now. Me I tell you. You have to hire some rasta for push down people now. When you walk, you fi there at the gate and the front of your entourage there on the stage already. You need a bubble with a broom where before you go up on the stage, start sweep off the stage. One next bubble with holy water, wash off the stage. Zine, them thing there. If you can carry some bush on the stage to and light it and just burn fire when you gonna start right there, so. The other way now work, Bugle. You've been humble all along. About 15 years now, you're humble, brother. Dark up your place. Find a Capital and Sizzler energy there. That Anthony B energy there. You see it? Alright, your bag of British, I tell you 100 bubble walk, so. It have to, Bugle them around for the thing, bro. You have to get dark. You can't afraid of a little problem sometimes. You have to get with it, bro. Cause you are such a talented artist. Look how much positive hit song you have. But yet still the promoter them now want to book you because the street now gravitate to Bugle like that. Because it's not only the music you have to use now, no. You have to use the imagery, you have to use your powers, you have to use trajectory, you have to use dominance. You understand me, I say? So just call military man, tell him say you need like 4 or 5 rats to push down people when you walk. You need one next 4 rats where anybody who now walk past them and eat pork or chicken, box out the food. See? You need one next 3 or 4 more serious rats than them one day, you know. Where when you got a stage show and you're ready for work and them saying that your time yet, then push down Jabba them, push down Buddha them, push down whosoever it is, take a stage. You know, this is a wish band up there, them have to play field to beat the bandsman them to everything. Bandsman them to everything. You understand? So, you have to change up the program, Bugle. You now get the respect where you want because you move like Grace Trillers and you're a Rasta. Obviously, at that car, me not see why you now get booked for the whole of the show them. Because you're a solid artist. This is not a joke thing. You're a solid artist. Me never see a flap on a show yet. Me never see Bugle flap on a show yet. Me never see Bugle on a show. Me I say, oh, Bugle dressed like thief, so. Oh, Bugle looks so. When you get them all clothes there? Never. Always clean. Always dominant. Always positive. Always I do the right thing. So what missing? Them not see the warrior side of your Bugle. Remember, every Rasta have to expose the lion side of them. Lion and warrior. So Bugle get with the program, line up a budget. If you want me lend you a couple of thugs, you know, I can lend you a couple of thugs. But then we have to start grow them ear from now. And then 6 months time them ready. Cause most of them are bald right now and me have some dog with bleach out and you understand me I say? So them now go fit the criteria. So if you hire them from now and give me the piece of food and me line up the budget, them can start grow them locks from now. Me send them down some beard oil and some ear grower from Lulu's holistic and thing. But then ear grow fast and then beard grow fast. You understand? Yeah, cause image is everything. Me can get the beard oil and the ear growth oil and the castor oil and the something them. Lulu's holistic have everything. And 6 month time, you have 120 full-fledged Rasta. Dark, real bad people. But them under locks now. Cause the Rasta promotion have to go on. Youngster. If you want some thugs to link me, we have thugs higher. You understand me I say? Me can make you call now and the hear them start grow. You lock turban at least. Rasta clothes at the least. Me not like how them a deal their Bugle. Look how you performed good last night. Big up Spragga Benz. Cause you know, sometimes when the enemy them are black, certain artists from certain platform, we have to end up keep own a thing them. For showcase the platform, showcase the talent. So last night, what Spragga do? Spragga keep him own show. And Bugle, I wanted the big act on the show. You understand what I say? So, me respect that. And at that moment, you see Queen Africa, them a fight her too. Them a fight Queen Africa hard. If you notice them now, put her up on the show them. Why them not put her up on the show? Which one of them female are more talented than Queen Africa? Which one of them can DJ better than Queen Africa? Which one of them can sing better than Queen Africa? Which one of them can angle stage better than Queen Africa? Tell me. But them not book her for the show them just because she a bonfire. So they might look on them personal behavior and a black out the real people them out the show. So we can't wait for them to keep the show no more and book we. We have to start keep we own a show them ourselves. We have to start keep some show with Queen Africa and Yaxter and Bugle them and our team, the straight people them. You understand me I say? How we can't look for food off a shaky people table. So when we are look to feed them show for book, we lose it. We need to get together as ourselves. You understand me I say? Because of disrespect. They want to make it look like some girl more talented than Africa. Lie. I just to Africa now name no crutches and now sing about so good and them something there. So them now book her. Same thing with Bugle now lose himself. You understand what I say? Big up Bugle, because I don't want to get too irritated, you know. But only just remember, we have thugs to iron. If you don't want some thugs to burn fire and wave flag and light the torch them and go on with the something them. Yeah, we have the thugs there. Rastafari rules and reigns.
Alright, my beautiful people, well, there you have it from Foota Hype, you know. You understand what I say? You know, so Foota Hype is a very vocal person, and anything he have to say, he might go jump on social media and come say it. So I want to have to let me know on the thoughts, what you think about what Foota Hype have to say in the comment section. But speaking about Foota Hype, my people, we could see we're at Journey to Kingston show with Spragga Benz. You understand what I say? Foota Hype and Bounty Killer could be seen in the same room. You understand what I say? They sharing the same atmosphere, which is a good look, my people. We always know say there's been a back and forth with a lot of people with Foota Hype on the social media, not just social media, but just in general. Cause a whole heap of people Foota Hype attack. You understand what I say? But over the years we could see where him and Bounty Killer did have a relationship, and that the relationship they kinda deteriorate. You understand me when I say, where it took to social media where a lot of back and forth, but now we could see where they share the same atmosphere together, my people, beer smiles and thing. You understand what I say? Which is a good look. It goes back to the argument we did have when we start the vlog about the unity. You understand what I say? Because at one point, if artists actually link up and do the right thing, show each other love and appreciation, you will have vloggers, producers, selectors and artists in the same room. You understand what I say? Because the artist can't just dead by himself. He might go need him selector, he might go need him DJ. You understand what I say? And if other artists come help and promote the thing, then you have a bunch of people now and not just build unity. So I'm going to play the little short clip where we see a circulate with Foota Hype and Bounty Killer, my people, and we're going to come back and we're going to make you know what we think about it. Bad.
We don't know we're going off camera, but as you can see on camera, no greetings.
Alright, my beautiful people, well, that's it for the show. Now, quick reminder, my people, I is a wannabe blogger. You understand what I say? I not fully reached there yet. Without your support, I is not gonna get there. You understand what I say? Now, with that being said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because it only support the channel and it only support me to not be a wannabe. Bad.